So today, this evening, I am here to support my ma'am for Indian Pavilion.
Thank you so much.
So today, I am here in Indian Pavilion with this gorgeous group of ladies. So let us know more about them, what they are all about, and what they do.
Good evening, everyone. We are from the Nartita group of dance led by Lavanya. Today we performed in the Indian Pavilion. This dance name is Tiruvadira, and this is a folk dance of Kerala. Our teacher is Lavanya. I think she will tell us more about it.
Hello there. Namaskaram to everyone. Tiruvadira Kali is basically, as she said, it's a folk dance performed during the nakshatra of, it's called as Tiruvadira. Yes, so the dance is basically performed by a lot of ladies in a circular motion, and they clap their hands. That's the reason Tiruvadira Kali has got another name, which is also called as Kaikotti Kali. So we take a fast. We perform we pray to God Shiva. So the ladies who are all married, they pray for their husbands, for their long living and prosperity.
Like Karwa Chauth.
Yeah, it's basically like Karwa Chauth, and the unmarried women want to get
Good husband.
good husbands. So that's the reason why during the nakshatra of Tiruvadira we we perform this dance. But right now, as we are all in UAE, we perform on stage.
During the festival of Tiruvadira, ladies fast and we don't sleep at night. So to keep ourselves awake, we sing songs in praise of goddesses Parvati and Lord Shiva. And this is how we dance in front of the Velakka. And we in UAE, we are all living in UAE here, and we try to replicate this dance for you. I hope you liked it. Thank you.
I would also like to know what you all do in your professional lives. Please tell us more about you.
We are all professionals. We are all working mothers and wives, and we practice for quite some time in the evening because we don't get much time. We practice at night in the parks. If you believe us, from 8 to 10 or 11 at night we used to practice to perfect this dance, and I think it has come out very well. Hope you all liked it.
കനകശ്രീലങ്ക കീഴുങ്ങി കീഴുങ്ങി കാഞ്ചന കാഞ്ചി കുലുങ്ങി കുലുങ്ങി കടലിൽ സ്വപ്നമയങ്ങി കണിരുങ്ങി പൂഞ്ചിരി ചെഞ്ചുണ്ടിൽ തങ്ങി ഒഴുകുമുടയാടകളിൽ കുളിയലകൾ ചിന്നി അഴകോരോടലാർന്ന കോലങ്ങളിൽ മിന്നി മതിമോഹന ശുഭകർത്തനമാടുന്ന മണിതേ അവ മുന്നിൽ വന്നു നീ മലയാള കവിതേ ഒരു പകുതി പ്രജ്ഞയിൽ നിഴലും നീലാവും ഒരു പകുതി പ്രജ്ഞയിൽ കരുപൂശിയമാവും ഇടചേർന്ന ഹൃദയം പുളകങ്ങൾ ചൂടി ചുടുനീറുനീർ പൂക്കൾക്കിടയിലും കൂടി അതിധന്യകളുടുകന്യകൾ മണിവീണകൾ നീട്ടി അപ്സരരമണികൾ കൈമണികൾ കൊട്ടി പശ്ചാത്തലമൊന്നിൽ സ്വരവേദികൾ തന്നിൽ താളം നിരനിരയായി മുരളിട്ടിട്ടു തന്നി താമരത്താരുകൾ മുറ്റത്തിരയ ഭംഗി ആയിരം സ്വർഗങ്ങൾ സ്വപ്നവുമായെത്തി മായികേ നീ നടനം നടത്തി ലോകസമാധാന പാലനമേ ഗുരുമരുരാശയമേ ലോകസമാധാന പാലനമേ ഗുരുമരുരാശയമേ ലോകമെമ്പാടും ഓംതത്തിന്തര ലോകമെമ്പാടും കാമനീയ കാന്തികൾ ചൂടി കാമനീയ കാന്തികൾ ചൂടി പരസ്പര സ്നേഹത്തിൽ കൂടി പരസ്പര സ്നേഹത്തിൽ കൂടി അവനീ శ్రీ సంగమేశ్వర శ్రీరామ సోదర పద్మనాభ ప్రియ మంగళం మంగళం వైభాగరాజన నాయన సోదర శిరమెత్తిడుమాల చందుగా మంగళం శ్రీ సంగమేశ్వర మంగళం మంగళం శ్రీ బాలషణ్ముఖ మంగళం మంగళం శ్రీ సంగమేశ్వర మంగళం మంగళం
So, a big round of applause for all these gorgeous ladies for performing out there and taking out time. You all are wonderful. You all are marvelous. You take out so much of time despite your busy schedules. So, thank you so very much. That's all for tonight. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye.